Hello and welcome to my channel, The Learning Curve. In today's video, let's spell the names of farm animals. So, are you ready? Animals live in a barn. Rabbit. 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 Duck. Duck. Hen. Hen. Rooster. Rooster. Cow. Cow. Buffalo. Buffalo. Mouse. Mouse. Turkey. Turkey. Donkey. Donkey. Horse. Horse. Sheep. Sheep. Pig. Pig. Goat. Goat. Which is your favorite farm animal? My favorite farm animal is a rabbit. Thanks for watching my video. Stay tuned for more